Hey, what's up, Wix Coin holder? What's going on today, my friend? Wix is completely going the moon. Completely going the moon. You can see here 7.61% the price is increased. So that's a really good news, my friend, for all of you. To Wix Coin will increase now. The price is increased now. And one thing more, my friend, I already predicted in previous videos, my friends. So definitely holder better understand, my friends, to upcoming time the price will increase now. And my last video, my friend, if you check out, so I tell you to in upcoming 3 days the price will pumps up. So it's 100%, my friends, I will give you guarantee to the price will increase now, because you know, my friend, absolutely after a dump every coin will pumps up. So absolutely you can see here after September 30, you can see here from October 4 the price is continuously moving upward. That's mean, my friends, to price is increasing and they will give you a profit. I tell you, my friends, to in the first week of this month they will completely give you a profit. So that's 100% going to be right now. And absolutely you can see here that live chart on the screen, my friends. Every day, my friends, I predicate this coin, and absolutely you will better understand to the price will increasing or decreasing. So you can see here 1 hour, just in only minus last 1 hour minus 0.49% they will phase down. So don't worry, my friend, if they were phased down from last 1 hour, so this is does not mean to they were never give you a profit, because you can see, my friend, in last 24 hour plus 1.81% profit, last 7 days 38.06% profit. And absolutely the market rank is also increased now. So first of all, congratulations. All right, my brother, the price is very cheap now, 0.3 USD dollar. So if you want to invest, I think it's a very good time to you invest now. So be honestly, my friend, invest. I hope they will give you a profit. See you next time, Wix Coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel for more live price prediction videos.